Hey guys, welcome back to Cruelty-Free Models, a place to discover the industry's top cruelty-free and eco-conscious models and industry professionals. On this channel, you'll also learn about all things cruelty-free. We'll talk about the industry's top animal-related industry news and, of course, have a little fun. So today's video, you guys, let me just tell you how excited I was when Vogue uploaded AOC's skincare and makeup routine, you guys. I literally just freaked out. I just love her so much, and I think you'll definitely appreciate this video if you're a fan of hers. And this is kind of like a new series that I'm starting. Basically, I will be reviewing her routine and going down all the products and letting you guys know which ones are cruelty-free and which ones aren't. So if you're interested in any of the products she uses, this should be a very valuable video for you in knowing which ones are cruelty-free. So yeah, let's get started.
Hello Vogue, buenos dias. This is Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, and I am here to walk you through my skincare and red lip routine. So I'm really excited to spend my morning with you. Let's do it. I have not gotten much sleep last night at all. Welcome to life in politics. We are trying to get people health care, making sure that they are taken care of in a pandemic. People are fighting too much, and so I have bags under my eyes. And so I always start with a toner. This is just one that I happen to be using right now. So I just apply some toner and just wet my face. I am following up with some vitamins.
Okay, you guys, so that was the Estee Lauder Micro Essence Toner. Most people know by now, but just in case you don't, Estee Lauder is not a cruelty-free company. They sell in China, where animal testing is required for products coming from overseas. So this is, while they may be cruelty-free in the States, they are not a cruelty-free company. So yeah. I had to rewind that. I could barely see. They didn't show it was so quick that they went the vitamin C serum that she used. I didn't even catch like what it was. Let me look again. Yeah, you guys, I didn't catch that at all. If you know what vitamin C serum she used, leave it in the comments below and I will check that out for you and add that to the description in the video later.
I just add a little bit of moisturizer.
Okay, so this moisturizer is the Acure Radically Rejuvenating Night Cream, which, while it is a night cream, you can still, it doesn't matter, you can still use it during the day. And this is actually cruelty-free, so you can definitely check it out. It's safe to use. No animal testing goes into this product or the finished product. So
I've got SPF. If you are at all...
Okay, so that SPF is the Biore UV Aqua Rich Essence SPF 50, which unfortunately is not cruelty-free, but there are plenty of sunscreens that you can get. You guys let me know if you guys want me to start, for the ones that aren't cruelty-free, if you want me to kind of like recommend some alternatives. Let me know if that's something you want me to add to these videos or not.
Melanated woman, it's really hard to find sunscreen because a lot of sunscreens have a white cast, and I think that a lot of women know this. See, look how you have to be really generous with sunscreen. Don't play games. Don't play games with sunscreen. You'd always rather put too much than too little. So don't forget your ears, don't forget your eyelids.
That is so true, you guys. One of the things that I had such a hard time with is reapplication. Like, how do you reapply your sunscreen when you have on, when your face is beat? Like, you don't want to mess that up. And I did discover a product called Zinc It Over by Seriously Fab, which is cruelty-free and vegan. It's all natural, no mineral oil, none of the yucky chemicals and all that stuff. And it's a mist, so you don't even have to touch your face. And you literally just every 2 hours throughout the day, you just mist it on. And it comes in the most amazing fragrances that it just takes you to another place. So yeah, it's great for reapplication. So that's just something definitely I suggest. And I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out.
Photos and when it's going to be a long day because it never goes anywhere. But I love tinted moisturizers. They aren't as taxing on your skin.
Okay, you guys, so that was the NARS brand, and that was the Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, which NARS used to be cruelty-free, and I used to actually use them years ago, but they had updated their policy a few years ago, and they are no longer cruelty-free. They decided to sell in China, which requires animal testing, so NARS is not a cruelty-free brand. Don't get it twisted.
My opinion, it's quite a radical act, and it's almost like a mini protest to love yourself in a society that's always trying to tell you you're not the right weight, you're not the right color, you're not the right, you know, whatever it is.
Okay, so what she's using right now is like an under eye cream, and I believe it is the Becca Under Eye Brightener, which, yes, is cruelty-free. I believe that she is using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Correct me if I'm wrong, which, again, NARS is no longer a cruelty-free brand.
The classic Fenty Beauty. I use, I believe this is a contour stick. For me, I'm an accentuator. I'm not trying
so like she said, she's using the Fenty Beauty Concealer Stick, which, as you probably know, is cruelty-free. Fenty is a cruelty-free brand.
I'll go in with a little bit of Cloud Paint.
So that is the Cloud Paint by Glossier, which is actually cruelty-free. So yeah, you're safe to use that as well.
So that's pretty much my base. I'm gonna go in with the brow. You know, I'm very lucky now, at least in 2020, because it's in vogue. I'm very lucky because brows.
So she is using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, which Anastasia is a cruelty-free brand. They're a cruelty-free company for sure. So yeah, I might have to check that one out myself.
You know, my family has brows. Like many people in my family.
I be struggling with my brows, y'all, as y'all could probably see in many of my videos.
Been naturally blessed in this department. I'll do a little highlighter as well.
Another Anastasia
the more time
product.
I have, the more steps I add. So today's a little more involved than usual, but I'm having fun. I've been lately playing with a lot of eyeshadows. I go in with a little kind of a lighter color.
Okay, so that looks like a Tarte palette. Tarte is definitely a cruelty-free company. I love their products. I'm not sure which palette that is. If you know, please let us know in the description. We'd love to know. But it definitely is a Tarte palette, which is cruelty-free. So I am fast forwarding again. You guys, a lot of what she's saying is really important. So I do encourage you to go and watch the video for yourself so that you can really get the full, conversation and all that she has to say. But I'm just fast forwarding in this video just to get down to the nitty-gritty of the products. So the eyeliner she's using right now is by Almay, which, while they have great products, unfortunately they are not cruelty-free.
When it comes to an everyday look, I do.
So I've fast forwarded to the mascara, which she is using the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, which is not cruelty-free.
Adding a little bit of bronzer.
So she is using another Estee Lauder product. She's using the bronzer. Again, Estee Lauder is not a cruelty-free company, so let's move on.
Whenever you see me wearing a red lip, most of the time it's this one, Stila Liquid Lipstick in Beso. And for me, the key for a lipstick, as much as I love experimenting with a lot of
She said her signature red lip is courtesy of Stila, which is thankfully a cruelty-free brand. She is using the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. So I think we all need to go out and get the Stila red Stay On All Day liquid lipstick. It is fire.
I start in the low risk zone, actually. And again, I start small and I start working my way out. Voila. And it just...
So good on her.
It's like a nice little shock, and even I feel a little more oomph with the red on. You'll deal with the hair later. If I had to give one piece of advice...
Can I just say, as a dark-skinned, melanated woman, I used to hate wearing red lipstick. Not because I thought it looked bad, but because everyone else said that my complexion didn't look good with red lipstick. But you know what, you guys? I love wearing red lipstick, if you haven't noticed yet. And I think there's a red lipstick for every skin tone. I mean, especially nowadays. Like, if you're dark skin or darker or lighter even, I mean, you can wear red lipstick.
It is that the key to beauty is the inside job.
Okay, you guys, so I'm going to end the video right there. I would say she are about 13 known brands. 7 of them were cruelty-free, which is, you know, it's not bad, but it could be a lot better. So I hope you enjoyed this video, just a rundown of all the products that she used and whether they're cruelty-free or not. And, you know, leave comments in the description and let us know any suggestions that you have for the products that weren't cruelty-free. Again, let me know if you want me to make alternative suggestions to those products. I'd be happy to do so. Just let me know what's up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it. And of course, as always, thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.